It had been about 9 months since my last river adventure, which was so sick. And I woke up and the sky turned from morning blue to something a little more sinister. And I began to wonder, damn, am I not gonna hit the river? Am I not gonna go with my boys? And then it just got real bad. Like hail bad.
Where's heaven, dude? See that shit? That's crazy.
And the dark sky app was gnarly, dude. Yikes. But I knew, just like those other river guys in Lord of the Rings, if I had faith, I would see the sun. And I made it. I made it onto the river in the sun, and it was amazing, and it was perfect, and I was drinking beers and eating candy bars, and it just got me going on some deep thoughts, which I'll share with you now. Enjoy.
Big shout out to all the rivers out there. And this river at this point in my life is a great spot to be, you know? Everyone's on the current. Everyone's on the journey. That dude behind me, he's on the journey. And when I look at it and just see the expanse, you know, see what's in front of us, see everything on the sidelines. I'm just really thankful for all the people who have been part of the fellowship, dude, because, you know, shout out to obviously the Fellowship of the Ring. I had a quote in my yearbook that was like, if I take one more step, I'll be further than the Shire that I ever have before. And you gotta take that step. That's the motto, dude. I'm grateful, you know. I'm super grateful to all you people who've been watching The Green Life. Like, real talk, I know these videos don't get mad views, but every time I see the view count, I'm just happy for all y'all who have been with me on this journey, dude, that Culver City garden, you know, and here I am. Planted that first garden, I never really would have thought that it would have ended up here with me, I guess, vlogging to y'all on camera, talking to y'all, but in some ways I'm glad it did, because it allows you to reflect, allows me to reflect on what a role nature plays in my life, dude. And I'm thankful for nature, and I'm thankful for y'all. I'm thankful for everyone that I meet, and the lessons that they impart. Let's go. I love this cliff, dude. Like, how does some shit like this exist, you know? How does it exist in Texas? Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. It's alright. I broke off from the group for a little bit. Sometimes I'd like to get a little solitary paddle in, you know? Just nothing but the rhythm of the paddle in the water, the rock of the boat, and the horizon beckoning. It was a really nice change of pace from our hectic world. True benefit of the river. I linked back up with the group, and I was starting to feel like I had hit my true form. And then I realized that, like, damn, we're actually going to have to camp somewhere in this river. We can't just float forever. This isn't Modest Mouse. We're not going to float on. Yeah, we got to find a spot to camp. So we rolled up on Scouts Island and started to scout it out. Yo, CPG reporting for the Green Light. We out here with my trusted fucking guide. 6 spots to camp. 6 spots to camp. Put down the BL. Giant poison ivy everywhere, right? How are we bringing the gear in? Don't get me wrong, this breeze is nice, right? It's like a gentle memory with a hint of aggressiveness, but still. 6:26. Sunsets in 45 minutes. Gotta pick a spot, dude. Pick a spot. Just revealing what you need to know, dude. Honestly, that bacon looks so fucking dang. Yeah. Don't be afraid of that little guy, dude. That top right gun. I saw the picture.
Look at that cross! Oh, yeah, buddy! Yes, me! Clearly, I like cooking meat around a campfire. Call me a Neanderthal, but maybe it's just in my blood.
That's it.
But I know how to relax too. You know, I know how to kick it around a campfire, get the old axe out,
Nice.
aka the guitar. Let's go.
Jamming, bruh.
We're all on the journey, and everyone wants to get there, and everyone defines their own destination. A number, a goal, a place, a time, a feeling. We're on the great river of life, folks, and we're all moving with the current. Some of us are in boats, some of us are sticks, some of us could be fish, I don't even know. But what I do know is that the river always has a current, and we're always moving with it. We smash against those obstacles, we ride each of the lulls, and all we can do is float, paddle, swim, rip, roar, love, cry, love, and leave behind currents in our wake that hopefully make the river's journey better for those who come after us. Everyone has the same destination, whether we want to agree upon it or not. We all know where we're going. And all we can do is ride this river and make the most of the time that we have on the great current and enjoy the journey. Because as everyone who's ever watched A Green Life knows, it's all about the journey.